Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying power and connectivity because most split-channel issues are simple. Make sure both AirPods and the case show charge, and put them back in for 30 seconds to re-establish the connection. Next, you check the source device, Bluetooth on, within about 3 meters, and airplane mode off, since interference often mimics hardware failure. Once done, visually inspect both stems and speaker meshes. Remove debris gently with a dry brush to restore contact and sound passage. You now move into the reset and isolation phase, so you know whether the issue is software or hardware. First, forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings on all devices, then perform a full case reset by holding the button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes. This clears pairing glitches. Once reset, update firmware via a paired iPhone or Mac because firmware fixes can restore one-sided audio. Finally, test each AirPod alone on multiple devices to isolate the faulty side. You finish by addressing contact and service options so you can decide whether to repair or replace. Check and clean the charging contacts with 70% isopropyl on a lint-free swab, then reseat the AirPods for at least 10 minutes to ensure charging symmetry. If the problem persists, verify Apple warranty or consumer repair options before third-party fixes. Warranty coverage can save cost. If things go wrong, try contacting Apple support to run a firmware restoration, or ask about swapping left/right rolls as a diagnostic step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.